Hey you guys, it's a Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas. I went to At Home and I bought a little bit of things to decorate the tree, and I want to show you guys really quickly what I got from there. Let me show you. Starting this vlog after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving with family and friends. I hope you ate a lot. I hope you drank a lot. But yeah, so let me show you guys really quick what I bought from At Home. And this is one of the colors. Y'all, I'm holding my camera with my hand. This is a little difficult. So the theme this year is gonna be green, blue, and brown. Yes, green, blue, and brown. So I don't have any greens, and I did blue last year, and I did brown the year before that. So I did not want to buy new colors because y'all, like, Christmas shopping, like Christmas decor shopping is expensive, y'all. So trying to constantly change the colors is not like, you know, I don't want to do that all the time. I don't know about y'all, but you know, I'm trying to save a little coin. So tomorrow we're gonna be looking through my brown and my blue colors together just to see what I have going on and just to see what else I have to buy just so the tree will look like nice and filled. Yeah, so like I said, I bought some ornaments. This green one right here. This one cost $4.99 at Home. Right. And then I bought the same kind of green, but it's kind of like it looks kind of matte. So this is cute. Also $4. So I bought that. You know, I bought 2 of each. And then I bought this blue one because I thought it was really nice. This one, this cost $20, y'all. Oh my God. But aren't these so cute? Hold on. Like, look. These, like, I couldn't. Like, they have so many different, like, funky designs. I love it. So I had to get it. Shit was $20. But whatever. And then I got so this is called room bloom. These are like little what are these, like, what are they called, pine cones? I think these are like pine cones. Like, they have little scents. It has a little bit of red in there and some green, so that's why I got it. And then the last thing that I got from At Home is a rug for the outside of the apartment. It is so cute, y'all. Let me put it on the floor so y'all can see. Night, please move. So this is the rug. Look how nice. No, not you trying to scratch it. Excuse me. Please. Anyway, night. This is not for you, sir. And this is hella hard. Like, what do you, like, excuse me. Anyway, let me pick him up, because if not, he not gonna let y'all be great. All right. So this is the rug for outside of the apartment. Look how stinking cute. And it has the green, the blues, you know, a touch of red. Very Christmassy. And the best thing about it, it was $12.99. Okay, so everything that I got, which wasn't a lot, cost. So everything that I got, I paid $85. So honestly, if it wasn't for the blue ornaments that cost freaking $20 and the cashew snack that I got that was like $8, like $7.99, this would have been much cheaper. But yeah, like, I like At Home. They have such cute things. Some stuff are affordable, some stuff are not. So you just really have to like take your time and look. I would say go early when everything is nice and neat and there's not a lot of people there, because I got there around 10 something and I was able to shop calmly. There were still people there, but not too much. So yeah, welcome to Vlogmas EP.1. Stay a while, you'll love it here. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey y'all, today's Monday. I'm working from home today. So right now what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be organizing the ornaments that I already have. So we're gonna do that together. Lego. I saw this tree for inspiration, like, you know, on Pinterest. This is what I'm going for right here, you see. So, you know, I saw those two colors together and I have them, you know, the green and the blue. I mean, the brown, the gold and the brown and the blue. So I thought this was very cute. And then, you know, the tree is green. The tree is green, so I'm like, ooh, I could probably add some green to it. So that was my thought process. Let me see. Blue, brown. Maybe I should add gold. Like brown. This is gold brown. Like, these are cute. These colors, they're cute. But I want to add green. Where's green? Where's the... Let me see. And let me get like a deeper gold. Like this one. Okay. What y'all think? This is brown, gold, blue, and green. I don't know. I feel like it'll look cute, right? Take out the golds and like do these colors. I don't, maybe the gold would make it like, I don't know, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm cleaning the glitter off the floor because that's the only bad thing about Christmas decorations is all the freaking glitter. But okay, so the final colors are blue, green, gold, and brown. So those 4 colors. Ooh, 4, 4, 4. 444. Can you see? And I have a daily affirmation. I have the power to be who I want to be, period. I don't know who needs to hear this, but this affirmation is for you, boo. Right here. 444. All right? After organizing everything, I need to buy more solid blues and more greens. I'm gonna go to Target tomorrow during my lunch break to see if I see anything. So I'll take you guys with me when I go there. And yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Love ya. Hey guys, I'm at work and we are about to go to Target to see if we can find some more Christmas decor. Let's see how this goes, because the Target by my job is a little ghetto. So we're gonna see what happens. But I'm gonna take y'all with me and see. I'm hoping they have a few things, at least green stuff, or at least things I can put in the bar cart. I don't know. We're gonna see though. Y'all, when I tell you this Target is ghetto, I mean it. Like, there's nothing in here. I'm gonna show y'all what they got. These are the ornaments. Hold on. This is it. That's it. This is all they got, sis. And lights. And candy. Ciao. Let me take my ass back to work and utilize my break for something else, because I just wasted 15 minutes walking to this Target. I'm so sad. Okay, you guys, I'm back in my office and I should have known that Target wasn't, I mean, not should have, I knew that Target was not really about nothing, like, but I didn't know it was gonna be that bad, child. Like, what am I supposed to do? I could just order everything on Amazon, but I didn't want to do that because Amazon Prime don't be priming for real. But I'm just gonna have to order it online and just wait for it, and then once I get all my ornaments, you know, we can decorate the tree. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back to doing my job. I just wanted to express to you guys how disappointing this Target run was. And Target is not supposed to be disappointing. Target is supposed to be a fun place. You're supposed to go to Target and let Target tell you what to buy. But that cannot happen when there's nothing in there to buy. Let me stop being dramatic, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Later. Hey y'all, we've been back for a minute now. I have the only headache, but we're about to go see Beyonce in the theaters. So we're getting ready to go right now. So I'll just do a little montage of everything. But if y'all got tickets to go see Beyonce, go see her. Here for the visuals, I'm here for the singing, I'm here for everybody showing out in their outfits. And yeah, so
Be queen mother of the world, my legendary mother, House of Renaissance. Let go negativity. Let go of anxiety.
Hey loves, it is the next day. It's very late in the day. It is like 3:49-ish. I'm going to be ending the vlog here for episode 1 of Vlogmas. A quick recap on the Beyonce Renaissance movie. It was so good, you guys. It was just like living the concert all over again. Plus like little added behind the scenes and things like that. I don't want to say too much for those who want to watch it, but I just love like how vulnerable she is in this film. And you know, like we easily forget how like Beyonce is human. She is a human like us. She's just very rich and very much famous. So we kind of like put famous people in this like pedestal, and we forget like she is, or famous people are humans. Sorry, that's my airdrop going because I'm trying to edit this so I could post it by either later on today or tomorrow morning. But anyway, but yeah, so like I appreciate the vulnerability of the film, and just even like little things like her being just a black woman and her wanting certain things a certain way and people still questioning her. Beyonce, like, how dare you question Beyonce? You know what I mean? So I love that she showed that, and I loved how she like showed her children. Like it was a vibe. It was a good ass time. It's long, but it was a good ass time. So go see it, go support, like why not? And if you did not see the concert, like there you go. You get to see the concert for a cheaper price. I also liked the details of everything. Like we did have good seats when we went to go see her, but there's just certain details of the concert that you like bypass because you're not like right there. So like the costumes and the outfit changes, the details that you like don't really pay attention to because you're just vibing out at a concert, you get to see it, you know? So in a visual standpoint, I really like that, like the cinematography of the film I enjoyed. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. Stay tuned for Vlogmas episode 2. We're gonna be putting up the tree and doing all the decorations for the home, so stay tuned for that. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Vlogmas episode 2, and yeah, later, bye.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.